Has your buyer recently requested for a SMETA audit, SMETA 2-pillar audit, or a SMETA 4-pillar audit? If this has happened, then surely your mind is asking you the following three questions. First, what is this SEDEX audit or SMETA audit? Second, how much it is going to cost me to get this SEDEX audit done? Third, what changes I have to do in order to get this audit done? We, Eurosat, a SEDEX approved auditing agency, are doing this free webinar for 1 hour on first Tuesday of every month. And in this webinar, we are going to answer your three questions and many more such questions. So see you next Tuesday. And for getting yourself registered in this webinar, it is very simple. You just have to click the link below, fill up the form, and we are going to see you on the first Tuesday next month. Thank you.